Module 2 at the Analytics Academy certificate program is called Systems and Storytelling for Data-Driven Decisions. In this course, we will look at that tool stack, those systems to be used to advance from generating just data or knowledge to really diving deeper in and generate that insight and that foresight. And then we'll move into storytelling. What are the stories that we can tell depending on which system that we're using? The course will follow the last part of the book, Implementing an Analytics Culture for Data-Driven Decision. The curriculum will be, first we will look at analytics business partnering to get grounded around how do we build that analytics culture into our business partnering approach. Then we will move into the systems. We will take a data set and with the same data set see what are the information that we can get out of Excel, what is maybe some of the knowledge that we can get out of using a data visualization tool, and then going into analytics, what are the insight and the foresight that we can get out of using a desktop statistical tool and using an AI-enabled analytics tool. Afterwards, we will move into storytelling. We will look at the fundamentals around storytelling, but also what are the stories that we can tell if we have access to a data visualization tool, and what are the different stories that we can tell if we have access to AI-enabled analytics. After that, we will move into one of my favorite topics, benchmarking. It's so important on this analytics journey that we understand where we are, but also understand where we want to be in the future. Everyone attending this class will receive an individual assessment for where they are in this analytics business partner journey. Afterwards, we will get a case study where a guest speaker will come in and describe the analytics journey that they have been on, using the benchmark, but also using these techniques that we're learning here. Finally, we'll go into selling the culture of analytics